It's Valentine! Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ksef02. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with your girl. So without any further ado, let's jump right to this video. I know guys, I know that I applied my foundation off camera, and it's not as if I wanted to do that. It's just like I'm doing a review slash what I think about the new Huda Beauty foundation. Let's just move on to the rest of our skin. So guys, for my concealer, I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cappuccino. So to light up my under eye a little bit more, I'll also be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Mahogany. We'll first of all going with the Cappuccino. So guys, this concealer dried down so very fast. You might want to blend it out immediately, almost immediately after you applied it. So I'm just going to be using my beauty blender now to blend it out. Now I'm going in with my Mahogany. Yes, shade. I love this shade. Guys, I love the formula of this concealer. It's very inexpensive, and it's going to give you everything that you need from expensive concealer. So guys, to add definition to my face, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty in the shade Espresso. Blend my contour. I'm using my Real Techniques brush. So to set my under eye area, I'm using my Huda Beauty in the shade Blondie. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and finish one side of my face with my brows, and I'll be right back. Guys, my lips is freaky dry. God, this winter is not playing this year at all. She doesn't come here to play at all this year. To prime my lid, I'm using my concealer NYX Professional Makeup, the one I use under my eye area. The lighter shade, that's what I'm using now to prime my lid area. So I'm just going to take my brush, and this is from Real Techniques. Then to blend it out. Guys, today for my eyeshadow, I'm using my Chalotte by Juvia and the Berries by Juvia. I actually got this eyeshadow now over 6 months or 5 months, if I'm not going to exaggerate. I think so. And today is going to be the first time I'm using this palette. First time, guys. First time. Get it together, Stephanie. Yeah, so my first crease eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this color, this shade, and this one is like a burgundy shade. I'm just going to dip my brush inside it and tap out excess. Then I'm using my NYX brush, and this is one of their blending eyeshadow brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right under my crease area to dip my crease. And to blend my first eyeshadow out, I'll be taking this color. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my brush inside this shadow, then tap out the excess. I'm just gonna use it to feather it out. I mean, to blend the first shade out. Guys, I'm going back to the first eyeshadow to dip my crease a little bit more. And for my lid area, I'm just gonna go ahead to the chocolate palette and take this shade and apply it to my lid area. Yo, come true, pigmentations. I'm going back to my first shade to make sure that they are both blending in together. For the last eyeshadow, I'm just going to take this color like so, tap out the essence, then blend the edges out. For my eyeliner, I'm using my Sephora eyeliner. And for my mascara, I'm using my Benefit Bad Girl Bank. So guys, for my waterline, I'm using my Catrice Cosmetics Coal Kajal 010 Ultra Black. To smoke my waterline area out, I'm using this shade. I'm going back to the Berry by Juvia, so I'm just going to take this shade and add it under my eye area also, just to smoke a little bit more. Oh god, this Valentine is going to be epic watching Netflix. We are not going anywhere, apparently. We are not going anywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead now and pop up my lashes. Let me show you guys. Front my face, I'm using my Chalotte Tibury Deep Fur. I love this product, guys. Oh, you can't tell me anything different now. I have been dying to use this product for a very long time, but it's Valentine, you know, we need to look good for the girls watching Netflix, you know. But you have to look good, you know, just look good. It's Valentine, you can't go anywhere, lockdown, everywhere, no restaurants, no movie, nothing. Guys, for my blush, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali. And I'll be taking this shade, let me pick my brush. So I'll be taking this shade for my blush today. Blush is one of the products that will fade away from your skin. You want to be a little, maybe you want to be a little bit heavy-handed, but not too much. But at least make sure it's showing enough, so before the end of the day you still have a little blush on your face. Guys, for my highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Vegas Lace Highlighter. Oh, it's almost fall off. She's pretty. So guys, on my tear dot area, I've already added the highlights here. Then I'm going to repeat this step right here. On my nose, then use my ring finger to blend it out. Then tip of my nose. Then blend it together. My lips, guys, I'm using my NYS Professional Makeup. It's actually an high pencil. That's what I'm using to line my lips today. Lipstick, I'm using my classic lipstick, and this one in the shade Nude Girl. Then I'm gonna use my ring finger, or should I use brush? Let me use my finger. My lip gloss, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. So for my setting spray, I'm using my Chalotte Tibury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, then use the bottle of the beauty blender to push the product, the remaining setting spray products into my skin. Okay guys, that's wrap up today's video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and share this video also with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.